Hello everyone and welcome back to the R&M LAB channel. Today I'm presenting 5 simple yet highly useful DIY electronic circuits. You can use them for many practical ideas, but the main goal of this video series is to understand basic electronics for educational purposes. This is designed for anyone stepping into this fantastic world, and these concepts will be incredibly helpful for your future projects with Arduino and ESP32. Experienced makers might find this video basic, but this content is fully dedicated to beginners who want to learn from scratch with zero experience. Let's get started. In this first project, we are building a high-power flashing strobe circuit without using any chips or microcontrollers. We simply use a 12V relay, a 470 microfarad capacitor, and a 220 ohm resistor. By wiring the capacitor in parallel with the relay coil through its own normally closed contact, we create a continuous oscillation loop. The result is a perfect strobe effect driving a powerful 12V LED bar. It's simple, clicky, and awesome to watch in this free-form style. The second project is a relay deactivation beeper. This circuit provides an audible alert the exact moment a load or a 12V line turns off. It consists of a 12V relay, a buzzer, a 470 microfarad capacitor, and a 1N4007 diode. When the circuit is powered, the capacitor charges up. The moment the relay deactivates, the contacts switch over, dumping the stored energy from the capacitor directly into the buzzer to emit a sharp beep. It's an excellent audible monitoring system. The third project is a smart relay with short circuit protection. This circuit consists of a 12V relay, a start pivot, a 1 ohm resistor, and 2 LEDs, one red and one green. When you press the button, the relay activates and latches itself on, lighting up the green LED for safe operation. If a short circuit occurs between the positive and negative outputs, the voltage across the coil drops to 0, the relay deactivates instantly, and the red air LED turns on. It's a simple and effective analog system to protect your lab power supplies. fourth project is a dark activated relay switch. This circuit consists of a 12V relay, a BC547 transistor, a photoresistor, a 100 ohm resistor, and a 1N4007 protection diode. The photoresistor monitors ambient light levels to control the transistor's base. When darkness falls, its resistance increases, turning on the transistor and activating the relay. This relay then safely switches on a 220V light bulb. As soon as light returns, it turns off automatically. It is a fantastic automatic twilight switch. The fifth and final project is a DIY 220V touch switch relay circuit. This incredible circuit features a powerful IRF3205 MOSFET, a 12V relay with its 1N4007 protection diode, and two IN5399 diodes wired back to back. By exploiting the extreme sensitivity of the MOSFET gate, the circuit detects the static electricity from our body. Simply touching the ends of the diodes toggles the relay, turning a 220V light bulb on and off like magic. A perfect finale for this freeform electronic series. And with this fifth project, we wrap up our free-form circuit showcase. As you can see, you only need a few discrete components to build something useful and understand how electronics work. Please, always be extremely careful when handling 220-volt mains power. Laboratory safety always comes first. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the R&M LAB channel for more upcoming projects, and let me know in the comments which circuit was your favorite. Thank you all for your amazing support. Greetings from R&M LAB, and see you in the next video. Bye!